Good morning, respected sir, madam. Today I wanted to reflect on some points, and I felt that it was a time to take a stand for ourselves, as my parents have always taught that taking a stand is better than keeping your mouth shut. So, during the pretext of technology, almost 100% of students were studying online during the corona pandemic. But now you're saying you want to conduct offline examinations with online education. How is that fair to us? How is that fair to the youth of India? You are indirectly saying that students are supposed to come out of their house between surrounded with corona infected people or corona infections. We are supposed to come out of our house to give offline examinations that other states, even the CBSE board, thinks that we are not capable enough to give. However, the students of Maharashtra, the superheroes, are capable. We are capable. Our education ministers think that we are capable enough to give 10th examinations, while the other boards don't. Why is our education ministry so adamant on their decision? Is this because of the profit of some ministers from our examinations? Students our age can't be sitting in a single grade for more than a year. It is not possible for adolescents. Also, corona is on the verge of getting worse and worse every day. Actually, it is already worse. We need to take some measures for our safety and some precautions. I don't understand this education ministry of Maharashtra. And also, why examinations without vaccinations? It is becoming hard for us to cope. It is adversely affecting our mental health. We just want a decision, and we want it quick. Postponing our examinations further and further away is just going to create an adverse effect on our mind and also increase our mental stress. We the youth of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic and republic, want a proper decision, and we want it quick. We are tired of you being adamant and you not giving decisions on time, and when the decisions are given, you are just like, wait for more 2 days, we will give another decision. We cannot wait. We just want a decision, we want it quick, and we want it positive. Thanking the Education Ministry of Maharashtra, the Education Ministry of India, all the teachers who think that the voice of students is important. The only thing we want now, at this point of time, is a decision from you that all the other states have taken, and we don't want to be capable. At least this year we don't. You just say we'll think about it, and you think about it for 5 to 6 days, and for 5 to 6 days we are thinking about it too. It's affecting so much. It's affecting our brain, it's affecting everything. You just need to grow up. You need to grow up, ma'am, sir. We can't be in a single grade for more. The exams can't be postponed. It's having adverse effect on us. Think about it, and think about it fast. Thank you.